up my legs.
No. Dude, I love your car. I seriously didn't think I would like it that much, but it's so fucking good.
That transmission saved my ass so many times.
Oh my god, it's such a good transmission. Did it die? Did he break my car? Yes. Ooh.
Sounds good, dude.
Yeah. Ooh.
He knows what he's doing.
Hey, yeah, very good.
Have you driven this car?
Yes.
Oh, I drive.
Oh my god.
I'm scared though.
It feels like your car. I'm not even gonna lie.
Really?
It doesn't. You know how you don't get like a ridiculous sense of speed in it. It just gets to that speed. I like it. Wow, I like it.
It's cool.
I need to make it louder.
Yes, louder.
Oh, dude, yours is. I mean, the steering, it's electrical, so I don't know, it's whatever, but dude, it was so comfortable and like smooth, and the transmission is just like whenever you want it.
I have sports suspension too, so.
Yeah, dude, I liked it. Your brakes are a little soft right now because we.
I'll change it later.
Yeah. No, you're fine. It's just that you overheated them. He enjoys it.
Of course he does.
It's fine. I don't mind. Did your port outside go away now?